Hi YouTube, this is Nissan Versa 2009 hatchback type S, I think, or Model S. And so I'm having problems with the back door latch right here because this button does not work. And I found out it's because of the front passenger side door, some kind of part. Nissan want to charge me $700 for it. Then I saw videos where they said it's a simple fix by adding a wire over here, and it's doesn't fix the problem, so it makes the door stay unlocked. So what I did is I just took some wire, some speaker wire, ran it all the way through here to this thing, and made sure it goes through there between the doors, like right here, the upper. Then, sorry about the view, and I ran it through the door side, everything, all the wires through here down on the bottom, and placed it right here. So this is the old switch. I do have a new switch there, and I thought the switch was the problem, but it's not. But I'm gonna mount it right here, so when I press it, I don't know if you can hear that, but I think that's my alternative fix, because I know this model and my in-laws, their car did not come with a trunk release switch in their vehicle. So, and also bought some springs right here, because I know when you actually unlock it, it stays down, it doesn't push out. So this one actually pushes it out. So we're gonna close it. There we go. And then now I'm just gonna press this button to unlock the back, so it pushes it up. So you don't need to worry about somebody being back here and actually, holding it for you. So that's my best bet. So this is not a fix. This is something alternative. But sooner or later, I will fix whatever the problem is. But at the same time, have a button here in the front. Maybe I could put it right here. I think that would be the best bet. Okay, thank you. I hope you like it. Pass my video on. Bye-bye.